Alright, so I just got started with this 2015 Trane XR14 air conditioner right here. Right there. If you want to hear the wind on the thing, on the unit, the wind from the fan here. Or you can hear the wind if you didn't get to hear that before. 2015, oh, there's a leaf. 2015, 2.5 ton. There's been vines growing around here, so. Gentech motor, that line's all cold and sweaty. I can see it. Probably very cold. So yeah, just got a shutdown of it before it turned on, so yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out. Let's get the shutdown now.